Casters and Equipment has over 200,000 caster combinations to choose from. We are a leading ergonomic caster distributor for United States and Canada. At Casters and Equipment Company, we are committed to providing you with casters and wheels to solve all of your caster problems. Located in Fraser, Michigan, we are one of the leading caster distributors in the country, and we are also leaders in specialized types of caster wheels, such as ergonomic wheels, swivel donut tread poly wheels, and hammer lock systems for added security and stability. In addition to our industrial casters and wheels, we can provide replacement spring-loaded lift truck casters, which can be difficult to find. With products from Mitsubishi, Toyota, Blue Giant, and Raymond, we can supply the replacement caster wheels you require. We specialize in reducing the push/pull efforts, reducing noise levels, eliminating the need for maintenance, and applying the correct caster wheels for your application. Our team of sales experts can help you with any questions you have, ensuring your order arrives with the casters and wheels you need for the given equipment. Our goal at Casters and Equipment Company is to build a long-term working relationship with our customers while providing exceptional customer service, every time, all the time. With our well-earned reputation as one of the leading U.S. caster distributors, we offer fast turnaround times on orders and full customer support throughout the process. So, whether you are looking to replace the casters on your kitchen chair or building a fixture to power tow an airplane across the plant floor, let Casters and Equipment Company be your #1 caster specialist. You can find us online at www.CasterEq.com. Casters and Equipment has over 200,000 caster combinations to choose from.